Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why we haven't posted a video in like a month or more. We've been really caught up, really busy, and we had to move. Had less than 2 weeks to pack up and get that done. One thing that's been keeping us really busy too is we found new friends, new groups, and been doing a lot of cruises, we did barbecue and whatever. Our first event, I finally gave Allie her ring. We're engaged now. Hopefully we can get back to the usual grind, get videos up every week. There's gonna be a lot more builds coming. Got another friend moving down from Grand Prairie. He drives an R34. Seeing if the next few weeks go properly the way I'm planning, this thing right here will probably finally get some sort of modification. Kind of getting boring, not gonna lie. Buddy's Integra took us a week to put coilovers in because of one bolt. Yeah, it looks better, drives great, keeps in the corners, so he was pretty ecstatic about that. And check out his goofy ass.
Just onto things. You have to use 2 ratchets, but it's so old and rusted on that you just need some penetrating fluid on her.
These rotors are here. They're Brembo OEM Integra.
Okay.
Josh, you want a Slurpee?
Yeah, word. Would I love a Slurpee? Yes.
Well, Brittany, you're hiding in the corner. You want a Slurpee too?
Say yes, babe.
Okay, maybe Allie did. I don't know. They found some fucked up shit. Oh. What's going
You're
on?
telling the viewers.
Look at that.
You. Yeah. Can you give me that? Look at this.
Success number 1.
Oh yeah.
It's not as bad as your axles.
No,
What?
they're actually pretty good. No, not leaking either. Like a little.
A little bit.
I think it's starting to, but.
Man, I can't wait to go ripping again.
Yeah. Fuck. You know.
And letting the saw cool down.
Honda
So we
LCA
don't-
problems. Look at this shit right here. Okay,
So-
motherfucker seized.
Yeah, everything's seized in and broken off. I had to saw that bit. Oh, look at all our dank cuts, man. Different angles.
Right there.
Yeah, skunk
Some
tooth.
good.
Yeah, it's...
We're trying explaining. We got some skunk 2. Skunk 2 right here, and we got some type 1s, function and forms. You know, these are the Pro Series. No eBay, boys.
Last bolt.
Look at these brand new LCA skunk 2s with the function and forms. Fucking did it, bud. I don't like your fucking job.
Yeah, it's kind of garbage. Brand new, but it's garbage.